Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add slow motion to the video in Capcut. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, go to your Capcut application and click on the button New Project. Select your desired video, click Add. Now you have to delete the ending part, okay? Now just click on the clip. Now at the bottom part there are several options like speed, animation, style, delete. Click on the speed, click on the normal. From here you can easily lower the value speed, like it is given 1x, you can just make it 0.7x or 0.6x, and if you click it becomes slower. Or I can show you another advanced way. If you click the curve option, there is automated fast and slow combined template like this one or this one, or you can also make your custom template from here like this. So in this way you can easily make slow motion video in Capcut. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.